Sam August.
And I'm James Jenkins.
We made a game called Fiverr. You may not know it by the name, but when you see it played, you might recognize it. What we had to do was we had to get the keyboard working with we had to interface it with the Nexys board. We ran into a few issues. We thought that it would send 2 signals each time, but it actually was having some erratic errors that you'll see here, so we kind of had to deal with that. But so the gameplay is basically you're trying to change every color. Yeah, you can see the keyboard. You're trying to change every color on the screen, and you do that. You use WAS and D, first-person shooter, to move around, and then E to change color. And there we go. And it changes the adjacent blocks as well. And so you run into problems if, like, let's say, okay, I place here, well, it's changed that previous color. So it's kind of like a mathematical puzzle.
Reset.
Yeah, we also added a reset, so that if you get into a place where you're like, I can't do this anymore, I don't know how to get it, you can just set it back. Yeah, start over.
And the LEDs here, when you select a piece, it counts, and so it keeps count of how many times you change pieces.
Yeah, and it counts binary on the LEDs.
And so
oh, it also checks if you win, so we'll try to run through and beat this one pretty fast. Yeah, as you can see, the real problem with our keyboard comes in that you get incorrect values on the number of moves, because sometimes it'll go twice, sometimes it doesn't register at all, so you're sitting there pounding the keyboard and it's not really doing anything. Yeah, so it checks if you win. It displays a little graphic that just tells you, yes, you have won.
What's the minimum number of moves to win?
I believe 15, yeah, for 5. But again, with the keyboard problem, it becomes a little tough to use your LEDs to track that. It's this version is not totally meant to be played competitively, we'll say. Although competitive Fiverr, I don't know if we could start it.
Okay, great. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, thank you.